The James Webb Space Telescope has just revealed something that could change everything we thought we knew about our place in the universe. Approximately 4 light-years from Earth, on a rocky exoplanet orbiting the nearby star Proxima Centauri, mysterious flickering lights have been detected. Lights that do not appear to be random. This isn't just another anomaly or cosmic glitch. The pattern of these lights is far too precise to dismiss. Could we be witnessing the first signs of extraterrestrial intelligence, or is it a new natural phenomenon that we simply don't yet understand? Proxima B, the planet at the center of this mystery, is no ordinary world. It orbits Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star notorious for its powerful solar flares and bursts of radiation. Despite being located within the star's so-called habitable zone, its environment is extreme. Yet it's precisely this contrast, between proximity to a volatile star and the intriguing signals we've picked up, that makes the recent discovery so astonishing. The planet's unique characteristics already had scientists curious. Now, with the detection of these unexplained lights, curiosity has turned into urgency. One of the defining traits of Proxima B is that it's gravitationally locked to its star. This means that one side of the planet is in perpetual daylight, facing the star with unrelenting exposure, while the other side is forever plunged into darkness. This creates a dramatic dichotomy, a scorched, irradiated face and a frozen, lightless hemisphere. But somewhere in between, along what scientists call the Terminator line, there might be a narrow strip of land where the balance of light and dark, heat and cold, could be just right to support life. That is, of course, if Proxima B has an atmosphere capable of regulating temperatures and shielding the surface from deadly radiation. Data from the James Webb Telescope hints at the possible presence of atmospheric elements like water vapor, methane, and even traces of oxygen, although these signals are still being debated and analyzed. If confirmed, these compounds could be indicators not only of a functioning atmosphere but potentially of biological processes at work. But what truly captivated scientists were the flickering lights observed on the surface of the planet. These lights don't behave like flares or lightning. They are organized, repeating, almost rhythmic, far too structured to be mere natural chaos. Some researchers have begun to speculate that these could be city-like lights, similar to how Earth looks from space when observed at night. If that hypothesis holds any truth, it would mark the first direct evidence of advanced extraterrestrial civilization. Such a revelation would redefine our place in the cosmos. However, caution remains. There are natural explanations still on the table. These lights could be the result of powerful volcanic activity, chemical luminescence, or even atmospheric phenomena unique to Proxima B's environment. But even these explanations challenge our current models of how planetary geology and weather systems work. The possibility that this could be something we've never seen before, an entirely new category of planetary behavior, cannot be ruled out. Surviving on Proxima B wouldn't be easy for any life form, whether native or hypothetical. Proxima Centauri's flares are so violent they could strip away an atmosphere in mere centuries. But some scientists suggest that life, if it exists there, might have evolved in sheltered environments, deep underground, beneath thick layers of ice, or in cave systems protected from radiation. It's not as far-fetched as it seems. On Earth, extremophiles thrive in boiling hydrothermal vents, acidic lakes, and beneath kilometers of Antarctic ice. Nature has a way of adapting. Could the lights be the result of such resilient life finding its way, just as it has here? The James Webb Telescope may be the one to lead this cosmic investigation, but it won't be alone for long. Telescopes like the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, and the upcoming Habitable Worlds Observatory are being designed to directly image planets like Proxima B, blocking out their parent star's overwhelming glare and capturing clearer views of their surfaces and atmospheres. Meanwhile, projects like Breakthrough Starshot are working on building small, laser-powered probes that could travel at 20% the speed of light. These probes, no bigger than a smartphone, could theoretically reach Proxima B within a few decades, sending back images and data that would finally pull back the curtain on this distant world. If the lights turn out to be artificial, that revelation alone would transform science, philosophy, religion, and technology. It would be the first solid proof that we are not alone. Questions would multiply. Who are they? How advanced are they? Do they know we exist? What form does their civilization take? How have they adapted to their hostile environment? Do they live in massive domed cities? Underground colonies? Are they biological beings, or something else entirely, perhaps synthetic intelligences evolved far beyond our comprehension? This discovery is already challenging long-standing ideas about what makes a planet habitable. For years, scientists have searched for Earth-like planets with temperate climates and liquid water. But if life can adapt to the brutal extremes of Proxima B, then our criteria for habitability might need to expand drastically. Life, it seems, may not require the comfort of Earth-like conditions to flourish. This opens the door to exploring similar star systems, such as those around LHS 1140b or TRAPPIST-1e, where conditions might also permit unexpected forms of life. As news of the Proxima B lights spread, reactions poured in from around the globe. The scientific community responded with cautious excitement. Some researchers urged restraint, calling for peer-reviewed analysis before any firm conclusions are drawn. Others saw this as a hopeful sign that intelligent life, possibly older and wiser than ours, may exist just a cosmic stone's throw away. Meanwhile, the general public erupted in fascination and speculation. Social media buzzed with theories ranging from alien megacities to interstellar messages hidden in the light patterns. Philosophical debates were reignited in universities and forums across the world, as people reconsidered humanity's place in the universe. Governments and space agencies have started discussing how to respond. Should we try to communicate with whoever, or whatever, is out there? Could we send radio messages, laser signals, or encoded data? And if we did, what would we say? Would we introduce ourselves, or stay silent to avoid attention? Some scientists warn that broadcasting our location to a potentially superior civilization could be dangerous. We have no way of knowing whether life on Proxima B, if it exists, would be peaceful or hostile. Others argue that not trying to communicate would be a missed opportunity for interstellar contact and cooperation. Projects like SETI, which have long searched the skies for radio signals from intelligent civilizations, are now focusing additional attention on Proxima B. Although no radio signals have yet been detected from the region, the flickering lights offer a new avenue for exploration. Could they be using technologies we don't yet understand? Perhaps our tools simply aren't sensitive enough to pick up their communication methods. Or maybe they're choosing not to speak, watching us from afar as we inch closer to their threshold. This discovery doesn't just invite us to dream, it challenges us to prepare. We are now faced with interpreting a signal from an alien world, one that could change the course of human history. Whether the lights are the result of geological processes, atmospheric phenomena, or artificial intelligence, they carry meaning. They tell us there is more to the universe than we imagine. They remind us that our knowledge is still young, and that space holds secrets we have barely begun to uncover. Proxima B is now a symbol of possibility. It asks the question that has haunted humanity for centuries: are we alone? For the first time, we may be closer than ever to answering it. The lights flickering on this distant planet beckon us to keep looking, to keep building, and to keep wondering. The James Webb Space Telescope has peeled back another layer of mystery, but much more lies ahead. With each discovery, we are rewriting the boundaries of science, challenging our limitations, and daring to dream beyond the stars. If you're just as fascinated by these developments as we are, share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you believe the lights on Proxima B are a sign of intelligent life, or do you think they are a natural phenomenon we've yet to explain? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another journey into the unknown. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.